Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to tell you about when I crashed my car. I am very scared to drive because I never drive. I always take the bus or my dad drives me. I have never needed to learn how to drive. So the other day, my family and my boyfriend, we were all out drinking and eating pizza. But when it was time to go home, nobody could drive, just me. I hadn't drank anything that night. So everybody said, "Tiana, you drive." I was so scared. But I said, okay, I'll drive. The whole way, I was stopping suddenly, going very fast. It wasn't a good ride, but right before we got home, my dad told me, "Turn right." So I turned right. But then he said, No, turn left. So then I was like, I don't know where to turn. So I was turning right. There was a motorcycle coming. And so I turned quickly to the left. But the curb was so close. I hit it, and I drove on top of the curb. The tire, the wheel, popped. And I was just angry, yelling, "Where do I go? What do I do?" It was a very dumb accident, but I did tell them that I didn't want to drive. So, is it my fault or is it their fault? What do you think? Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today I'm showing you more intermediate level English. This is for B1 level English. Today, I want to talk about sports and hobbies. I have always enjoyed playing sports. Anything from soccer to ballet. I have always loved participating in different social activities. Throughout my whole life, I have gone to soccer, cheerleading, basketball, gymnastics, dance, and baseball. Do you play any sports? Do you prefer team sports or individual sports? I don't enjoy watching sports as much as I enjoy playing them. I do love watching gymnastics competitions and dance shows. Dance shows like Dance Moms or Dancing with the Stars. Do you think watching sports is as enjoyable as playing them? I also enjoy going to the gym, but if I don't have time to go to the gym, I always make sure to go for a jog. Jogging, for me, is very therapeutic. It helps me to clear my mind and stops me from overthinking. Physical activity not only helps my body, but also helps my mind. Is there any type of exercise you do to help clear your mind? How can exercise help us to stop worrying about things? Sometimes hobbies aren't physical. Hobbies like drawing, writing, knitting, gardening, or cooking can be a huge help to mental health. Do you enjoy any non-physical hobbies? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will be knitting and showing you the difference between so and such. I am so happy. I am such a happy person. Same but different. She is so fast. She is such a fast person. Same but different. So means very, and it can go before an adjective or an adverb. So beautiful, so nice, so happy, so fast, so slow. I am so excited for Friday when I get to see my friend Lisa. Joaquin plays soccer so well. Now, such can go before an adjective plus a noun. Such a or an adjective, noun. You cannot say, she is such a beautiful. You can say, she is such a beautiful singer. She is such a beautiful girl. Singer is the noun. Girl is the noun. Such a nice house. What is the adjective and what is the noun? Nice is the adjective and house is the noun. Such a warm day. What's the adjective? Warm. What's the noun? Day. A warm day. Now it's your turn. Is this correct or incorrect? I have so nice family. False. Incorrect. How do we fix it? I have such a nice family. Next one. The baby is such happy. Incorrect. How do we fix it? The baby is so happy. Now, use so and such in the comments. I'll check and see if your sentences are correct or incorrect. Come back for our next English grammar lesson while knitting. And remember, practice English every day. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about my morning routine. It's so hot in Puerto Escondido. I like to wake up at 5 a.m. Before I do anything else, I make my bed and I take 10 minutes to meditate. The morning is my most productive time of the day. So I try and finish everything I need to do in the morning. I study Chinese. I set my timer and do yoga, and stretch for an hour. Daily check-ins are like charging your small garden. When you check in, energy flows into your little world and you can start planting. When it's time to harvest, you'll feel a strong sense of achievement. The green leaf energy you use helps you decorate Toma. Staying consistent with check-ins helps us to create good habits, and we're doing it together. As we keep up our discipline, we unlock new worlds with Toma and expand our little world of growth. It's like planting the power of habit in every blade of grass that we grow. I write down my feelings every morning, whether I started my day feeling melancholic, calm, comfortable, or grateful. It's a good way to start your day. What does your morning routine look like?